taken the measurement of your foot just while shopping for a pair of shoes or sandals maybe? Well, of course you must have. But what about the ecological footprints? Don't you know about it? Don't worry, let me explain. Ecological footprints are actually a measure of the impact of human activities on the environment. Specifically, they quantify the amount of natural resources and land area needed to support a population or activity. Ecological footprints take into account the amount of energy, water, food, and other resources to be consumed, as well as the waste produced and the extent of land use. The average ecological footprint per person varies widely, depending on various factors like lifestyle, diet, and the level of economic development. This concept helps us understand the limits of the Earth's resources and the impact of our consumption patterns on the environment. Do you know? Currently, to meet the needs of the entire human population, we actually need 1.7 planet Earths in order to remain sustainable. By measuring our ecological footprints, we can identify areas where we need to reduce our resource consumption, such as by improving the energy efficiency, reducing waste, and shifting to more sustainable production and consumption patterns. So, I hope this makes very clear to us that reducing the ecological footprint will definitely lead us to sustainability and better resources accounting with due respect to the planetary boundaries.